So these next two slides are going to be more of like definition and understanding. So yes, there are some paragraphs, but you don't need to write down the paragraphs as if we were sitting in class. You would pull the important pieces. So a vector can be represented geometrically. So we can draw out a vector by a line segment or an arrow diagram. So you guys know this as, a single-edged line segment. So there's a line and then a point facing towards the end. So if you look on the right-hand side where we've got this little drawing, we're going to consider this line segment with the initial point, also known as the tail. I will almost always call it initial and terminal side, continuing on with kind of the knowledge you guys used when you were doing regular angles. You did initial and terminal. So I'm going to keep that, but it is tip, and then initial point is also tail. I think that got cut off. Okay, so the initial A is known as the tail, and then the terminal point end is known as the head or the tip. The vector is denoted by this. This is very important. You can see that it's labeled 3 different ways, but how to label a vector? It's a one-sided like arrow on the top. That is how to label what a vector is, whereas if you just do a B with the line over it, that's a line segment. We are looking in the vector world now, so that's what we're going to look at. We will get into real-life examples, which will help you guys significantly understand these more, but for now, make sure you have initial point, terminal point, and then this drawing on your notes.